Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So, as we all know that Poilaboishakh is around the corner, so I thought to share a easy makeup tutorial with you guys. If you want to know how to get this soft smoky eye look, then please keep on watching. So I started with priming my face and using Lakme Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, and it gives a matte finish effect cause it has silicone in it and it gonna minimize your pores as well. Next I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Foundation and dabbed it all over my face. It gives medium coverage and you can build it up according to your need. Next, using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and apply it wherever I have acne marks and I like to highlight. And today, I'm not going to use any compact or setting powder to set my face cause I'm going to bake my face today. Let me know guys if you want me to do a separate video how to do baking your face or how to get proper contoured face. Let me know. I'm taking Nicka contour palette and that yellowish powder to bake my under eyes or concealed area to get proper contoured and highlighted face. Also taking that brown powder from the same Nicka contour palette and contoured my face to chisel it down and to even out my high features like my cheekbone, my jawline, my forehead area and also my nose. With a fluffy brush, I'm going to dust it off the excess powder which I have applied during baking my face, and with a sponge I'm going to even out the excess left over on my face. To even out my face so that it won't look like a joker one. Anyways, next taking a eyebrow comb and set the eyebrows hair in place, and then taking fashion brow from Maybelline, and it's in green color, and fill the gaps wherever I have eyebrow gaps. Then taking that same brown color from the Nicka contour palette and going to use it as a transition shade and apply it from the crease area to inner corner and blend it gently, and also apply it on my lower waterline as well. Then taking Maybelline Colossal Kajal and apply it gently all over my eyelid and also precisely so it won't look a heavy eye look. Then with the help of a smudger brush, I'm going to smooth it out. Then apply the Colossal Kajal on the lower waterline, and with the help of a small angular brush, I'm going to smudge it out. To intensify the smudged kajal, I'm going to use the Blush Nudes palette by Maybelline and taking that black color and apply it all over the smudged area to intensify the color and make it sure that the kajal won't gonna bleed if I sweat on my face. And with the help of a flat brush, I'm going to blend each and everything. Then taking MaybellineXgigihadid collection mascara and first apply a layer of mascara, then taking the fiber side and apply it all over on it, and then reapply the mascara to get a voluminous and thicker lashes. Then taking Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in shade Peach Lights and apply it all over the places I love to highlight, like my cheekbones, my nose, cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, then chin, forehead, and also the brow bones. Like nowadays I'm more into highlighters. Like highlighter face is so in trend, so in trend. I just love highlighting my face. Then taking Sivanna color soft matte lipstick in shade 05, and it's such a pretty pinkish nude color. It's gonna be a bit darker one for dusky skin tone, and we gonna whitewash the fairer ones. And yeah, this is the final look which I have created, and bye bye, take care.